Hello, dear students. Today we start geometry. First chapter, similarity. This topic is related with a triangle, and you know that the properties of triangles, and we learn additional properties. First property is related with area of triangle. Second one is basic proportionality theorem. Third one is similar triangles, and fourth one is areas of two similar triangles. So this chapter is totally concentrated on area of triangle. First, you have given the figure. Area of triangle you can find. You know that the area of triangle is half base into height. You have given the three sides, and on these three sides you can draw the altitudes. Yesterday I have given the activity draw the altitudes for acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. First we take, in this figure you have given draw the altitudes for a acute angle triangle. In case of acute angle triangle, all the altitudes are intersecting at a single point which is inside the triangle. Now in this case, area of triangle is half base into height. If we take BC as a base, then AP is acts as a height. It is the first altitude. Then second one, if we take AC as a base, BQ is acts as a altitude. And if we take AB as a base, CR is acts as a altitude, and altitude is the height of this triangle. So in first case, area of triangle ABC is half base into height, that is BC into AP. Then you can take the another triangle, means same triangle in different way. Area of triangle BAC is half AC into BQ. Then third way, area of triangle CAB is equal to half AB into CR. Actually, we take the same triangle with different base, so their corresponding heights are also changed. Yesterday I asked the question, what is the relation between first, second and third? The answer is that all the triangles, the triangle is same, so all areas are equal. Area of triangle ABC must be equal to area of triangle BAC must be equal to area of triangle CAB. So this is the first topics. Now second one, ratios of areas of two triangles. Ratios of areas of two triangles. If we take a triangle ABC and AP is perpendicular to BC, the another triangle XYZ, XT is perpendicular to YZ. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to half BC into AP upon half YZ into XT. Half of get cancelled, we get BC into AP upon YZ into XT. In general form, area of triangle means A1 upon A2. A1 and A2 are the areas of two triangles, is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Means you can write this way, the ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of corresponding base into height, that is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Case first, if two triangles have same height, then A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 because height get cancelled. In case second, if the two triangles have same base, then A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. Now we'll discuss different types of conditions that for two triangles of same height, means two triangles have the same height, when this condition is possible. If we take two lines, line L is parallel to line M, and take the two triangles, triangle LMN and triangle ABC, and you know that the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is constant or same. Means in triangle LMN, this is the height. You can take LP is the height and AQ is the height, means altitudes are there, and these are the perpendicular distance. And in case of parallel lines, the perpendicular distance is same, and both the triangles are lie between two parallel lines, so that both triangles have the same height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle LMN is equal to BC upon MN. So this is the case first of same height, that when the two triangles lie between two parallel lines. Then the case second, that is very very important, we use this case again and again. So in this case, you have given the triangle ABC and AD is a Savian, means any point on BC you have to join AD. We get the three triangles ABC and triangle ABD and triangle ADC. In this case, if you observe, A is the common vertex for both the triangles, all three triangles, and their base points B, D, C are collinear. And when such type of condition is occur, that time all the three triangles have the same height. And if we take AS is perpendicular to BC, and AS is acts as a height for all three triangles. This ABD is an acute angle triangle, ADC is an obtuse angle triangle, so their altitude is outside the triangle, and ABC is also acute angle triangle, so that it is also inside the triangle. These triangles have same height, reason all three triangles have a common vertex A, and their base points B, D, C are collinear. That is B dash D dash C we can write, means all the three triangles have same height, so their areas depends on their corresponding bases. And if we take the first triangle ABD and triangle ADC, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is, we get BD upon DC. Second one, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC, the corresponding bases are BD and DC, so we get the area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC is equal to BD upon BC. Third one is area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DC upon BC. And this is very very important case, and we use this type of triangles again and again. In case of BPT, we also use this type of triangles. Then triangles of same base. In case of triangle ABC and in case of triangle DBC, BC is the common base, so their area depends on area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AP upon DQ. Second one, QR is the common base. In triangle PQR and in triangle SQR, QR is the common base, so their area depends on their corresponding heights, where PM is perpendicular to QR and SN is perpendicular to QR. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle SQR is equal to PM upon SN. The reason that's triangles of same base. Now we'll take very very important topic, triangles of same areas. When the two triangles have the same area, that's the case first. This line L and this line M both are parallel to each other, and triangle ABC and triangle DBC both lie in the same two parallel lines. So that what happened? Both the triangles have the same height. And you know that when two triangles lie between two parallel lines, they have the same height. And second one is that both the triangles have the common base BC. BC is the common base. First, triangle ABC and triangle DBC. Means both the triangles have same height as well as same base. So their areas are also equal. As triangle ABC and triangle DBC lie between two parallel lines, so both the triangles have same height and also common base BC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. And we use this property in practice set 1.1. Then second case he has given. In triangle PQR, segment PM is the median. Means PM divides segment QR or side QR into equal parts, that is QM is equal to MR. And also it divides triangle PQR in two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle PMR, as QM is equal to MR also. In triangle PQM and in triangle PMR, P is the common vertex and QMR are collinear. So both the triangles have same height. And also the corresponding base QM and MR are also equal. So that area of triangle PQM must be equal to area of triangle PMR, because height is same and the base is also same. And this is the third case. Now we will take the fifth sum of practice set 1.1. You have to try for first, second, third and fourth. Fifth is different, and first, second, third, fourth totally depends on the previous cases. It is thoda sa alag. Now fifth sum, you have given the figure. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, and also you have given in triangle PBC, PQ is perpendicular to BC. AD is altitude for bigger triangle, PQ is altitude for smaller triangle. But there are total 6 triangles are there. First is ABC, triangle ABC, triangle ADB, triangle ADC, and also in triangle PBC, then PQB and triangle PQC. So in first question, you have to find the ratio of triangle area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle ABC. If we take the triangle PQB and PQ or PBC, means P is the common vertex and B points BQC are collinear. Therefore both triangles have same height, so their areas depends on their corresponding bases. So area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equal to QB upon BC. Second one, in triangle PBC and ABC, BC is the common base. PBC and ABC, BC is the common base, so their areas depends on their corresponding heights. So area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to PQ upon AD. Then the third one is area of in triangle ABC and in triangle ADC. A is the common vertex and the points BDC are collinear. Therefore both triangles have same height. So their areas depends on their corresponding bases. And also in triangle ADC and in triangle PQC, both the triangles have different base and different heights. So their area depends on their corresponding bases and heights. Ratio of their corresponding bases and height. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQR. PQC is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. That is DC into AD upon QC into PQ.